This is a quick video on inserting a hot text question into an Edugence assessment. So there's several question types you can choose from, and we're going to look at hot text today. So I have set up the parameters on my assessment. If you need help setting this up, please review the video on setting up assessments in Edugence. In order to add the question, I'm going to scroll to the bottom here, and in the bottom right, I have the option of selecting a question from a question bank or adding a new question. So I'm going to click New Question. It's then going to ask me a few questions to set up. So bank is going to refer to the question bank that this question will be saved into. It will pull over my grade, course, and language from whatever I set up my assessment for. So I'm going to select Type, and I'm going to select Hot Text. I'll then be able to select a Content SE and a Process SE, or I could select multiple if I have multiple addressed in this question. I can set up a DOK level, difficulty, blooms, and I can add keywords to this question. All of this is really important, first for data reasons, being able to review the data on different SEs once students have completed the assessment, but also for searching for this question in the bank later on. So I'm going to go ahead and select an SE. We'll select this one, and I'll select a Process SE as well. Okay. And I'm going to scroll down. So for a hot text question, hot text is when students have a set of text with several highlighted options, and they choose the correct answers or answer. All right, so I've gone ahead and entered a question. Select the amendments from the text below that is commonly referred to as a reconstruction amendment. So this paragraph talks about a few amendments, and I want to hot text those amendments and allow students to choose the correct answer. Now the button to select a hot text is this button right here. And I'm going to go ahead and zoom in a little bit so you can see that. It's right there. So if you want to select a text and make it hot text, you're going to first click the hot text button. It will prompt you to select a text. I'm going to select 15th Amendment and then press the hot text button again. You'll notice that brackets appear around that. I'm going to select it again, and then I'm going to select 19th Amendment, and I'm going to select hot text again. Brackets will appear. And I have one more I want to highlight, so I'm going to select hot text, and I'm going to select 26th Amendment, and then brackets will appear. So now I have selected which ones I would like to be hot text. It's now going to prompt me to choose what was the correct answer. So students will be able to select. And the correct answer is 15th Amendment. And you notice it put a little asterisk right there. Okay? All right, so if I want to preview this question, again, I will go up to the top just like I did with other question types and select Preview. So you can see what the students will see. You notice that text is hot, it's highlighted, and when the students select a correct answer, it will darken that answer. So that's just what I wanted for my hot text question. If you scroll to the very bottom, you will have a place to put a scoring rubric. This is where you can explain why that was the correct answer or why other answers, are incorrect. When you're done, you can click Save and go back, and it will place that question at the bottom of your test. It will tell you what type, it will tell you the SE, and you will have options to edit or delete that question. If you have any questions about setting up a hot text question, please reach out. Thank you.